Have you ever noticed how hard it can be for visitors to find what they need on your WordPress site, buried under a flood of posts, products, or custom post types content? Have you felt the frustration of manually organizing WooCommerce listings, or struggled with outdated filters that slow everything down? You're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through a game-changing solution with WP Ultra Filter, step by step, and best of all, no coding is required. This powerful plugin transforms your site by making content discovery effortless for users. Let's create a filter set with WP Ultra Filter to improve how users navigate your WordPress site. Begin by accessing WP Ultra Filter in your WordPress dashboard. Then select Filter Sets from the menu. Click the Add New Filter Set button to start fresh. Give your filter set a name, such as Product Filters, to stay organized. Now, add filter types to suit your content. Include categories to group posts, tags for specific topics, custom post types for third-party plugin data, and WooCommerce attributes like size or color for products. For each filter type, choose a display style. Each filter set can contain multiple filters, which you can add and configure in the filter field. The filter title is the name that will appear on the front end for your customers. The next part is crucial. Choose the type of filter to apply to this field. There are multiple filter options, each with an additional tag to distinguish them, like category from media and category from product, so ensure you select the right filter for your content. Next is the filter control. This defines the usage and appearance of a filter. For example, on my page here, you can use checkboxes for multiple selections in one field, a drop-down list for easier management, a numeric range to filter specific values like prices, or a search bar to find particular content or items quickly. The configuration and design features in WP Ultra Filter are surprisingly easy to grasp. The configuration section serves as a control center for managing how filters behave and perform. You can enable AJAX filtering to ensure results update instantly, offering a smoother browsing experience for users. You can also establish global display rules, determining where filters appear across your site to maintain consistency and keep your site responsive. In the design section, you'll focus primarily on the filter's appearance on the front end. The plugin provides 3 width settings compatible with PC, mobile, and tablet devices, all of which you can customize for an enhanced visual experience. Additionally, adjust the color range to match your website's color scheme, ensuring a cohesive look. All these adjustments can be previewed directly using the Preview tab here, so you won't need to load your front end and return to make further changes step by step. Back in the filter set, you can decide where the filter will load, such as on all your standard WordPress pages, or only on pages and posts related to products, or even for a specific author or publisher. This approach reduces your workload by eliminating the need to manually add the plugin to every page or shop page individually. Additionally, you can use the shortcode provided by the plugin. In your dashboard, copy the generated shortcode and insert it into any page or post through the editor, placing filters exactly where they improve your layout. On my front end, you can see I've added filters to my page, featuring 2 sets of filters. By selecting options from these sets, I can narrow down the products I want to find, filtering by color, price range, the category they belong to, and even more detailed options. You can explore these further by installing this plugin and trying it yourself. We've explored how WP Ultra Filter can transform your WordPress and WooCommerce sites by enabling advanced, user-friendly filtering options. Ready to enhance your site's navigation and user experience? Visit joomunited.com to get started with WP Ultra Filter. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more WordPress tips and tutorials.